Let's add custom items to our Minecraft mod. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be adding custom items to our tutorial Minecraft mod. And remember, this is very dynamic, so you can do whatever you want with this. First thing you want to do is head over to your source, your Java folder, and we're going to make a new package. And we're going to name it item. We're going to make a new Java class and we're going to name it mod items. So this is where we're going to register all our items. First thing we want to do is make a method to register our items. So we're going to make a private static item. We're going to name it register items. And in here, we're going to take a name parameter and a function, Java util function of item and item dot properties. We're going to name this properties. Okay, so in here, we're going to want to make a resource key of an item and name this resource key is going to equal resource key dot create. And this in here, we're going to put registries from NetMinecraft core dot item and then resource location dot from name space and path. And in here, we're going to do our mod ID. So this is from your main tutorial class, and then the name parameter. And this is going to return registry. Make sure this is from NetMinecraft core registry, not Java registry, because that will break everything. Dot register built-in registries dot item, and then the resource location. Again, we're going to put in our mod ID and the name, and then go outside of this parentheses, and then after the comma, function, or in this case properties, that's our function parameter, dot apply, and then new item dot properties dot set ID resource. The first one in this is item dot properties, and the second is item on that. Now we're gonna make a public static final item, and then this is the item you are creating. Mine is going to be limestone, and this is going to equal register item limestone. Since it's a simple item with no properties, we can just put item : new. There we go. To register your items with the game, we're going to make a public static void just named register. Add a log info, and then I can put items registered. So in our main class, we're going to reference mod items, and you can just tab dot register. So now if we run Minecraft, you will see if I run /give myself and then tutorial : limestone, it's blank. It's not loaded. And you'll notice how it doesn't have a name. To register the model and texture for your item, we're going to head over to our assets folder, tutorial, and we're going to make 4 new folders in here. The first one is items, second one is lang, the third one is models, fourth one is text. In the model and textures folder, we're going to make a new subdirectory called item. In our items folder, we're going to make a new file, limestone.json. File name should match the ID you gave your item. So in here, we're going to put 2 curly brackets, model, : another curly bracket, type, it's going to be Minecraft, : model. The model is going to be tutorial, so your mod ID, : item, / the ID. Then in the textures item folder, you're going to want to paste your PNG and make sure it matches the name. So mine is limestone. Then in the models / item folder, make a new file, limestone.json, should match this and this curly bracket, parent Minecraft : item / generated. You're going to want to put textures : more curly brackets, layer 0, the tutorial ID, item / limestone. So your mod ID and the ID of the item. Finally, in the lang folder, we're going to make a file, en_us.json. And here in the curly brackets, we're going to put item dot your mod ID. So mine's tutorial dot the ID, limestone, : and then a string, which is the name that shows up in game. So we're going to put limestone. Now launch Minecraft. You will now see that our item model is there in your inventory. Next time, we will be making a custom item tab and blocks. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.